Hello people of the internet, my name is Esther and today I'm in a little bit of a different location because we're going to be cooking. Today is my mom's birthday, so I'm going to make her favorite dessert, which is floating islands, or in Hungarian, madártai. Madártai actually translates to bird's milk, which doesn't really sound appetizing, but floating islands does, so I'm going to be using that name from now on. Good news for anyone who doesn't really like to use the stove, because this recipe does not require using the stove. The electronic cook gadgets you're going to be needing is a hand mixer and a microwave. So let's see what you guys are going to need for this. For this recipe, you will need 7 deciliters of milk, 110 grams of sugar, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla pudding, and a stick of vanilla. You are going to start with separating the eggs whites and yolks. Next, take 2 tablespoons of sugar and add it to the whites. Taking a hand mixer, beat the eggs until they become stiff. Add 2 tablespoons of your milk to your yolks and then put them aside. Pour the milk in a microwave-safe bowl. Don't forget to make a mess while at it. Add in the sugar. Take the vanilla sticks and cut them in half lengthwise so the seeds can get into the milk. Now pop it in the microwave for 7 minutes at 750 watts. After removal, scoop the egg whites on the top like so. Put it back in the microwave for 4 minutes at 500 watts. Now with a spoon that has holes, remove the egg white. And repeat until all of the egg whites are cooked. Now going back to the yolks, add in 1 tablespoon of pudding and whisk it to combine. While continuously whisking, add the yolk mixture to the milk. Put it in the microwave for 2 minutes at 750 watts, but stir with a whisk halfway through. It's ready when it starts to thicken, but it should be rather runny than puddingy. Last step is to take it to cool down. I've put it outside, but then I've transferred it to the fridge. When you're serving it, place the vanilla mix in a bowl and add the egg whites on top of it. Now you can garnish it with chocolate powder or sliced almonds, or maybe cinnamon, whatever you guys would like. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you make this recipe, please make sure to send me a picture of it. If you're interested what I might upload next, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye bye!